How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another really fun DIY. It has been a while since I've done one of these, and I've missed them so much. Today we are going to be making some really cute decor to transform your house into a dance floor for you and your kitty cat or cats. I know I've said this before, but if you could just look at this little face, how could you say no to this face? So let's get started. First things first, we need some supplies. And for this project, you're gonna need a lot of cardstock. You can get this from Dollar Tree, or you can get it from an online store. The link will be in the description box below. Next, you're gonna need some sort of adhesive like double-sided tape or even hot glue. If you're not familiar with using hot glue, I promise it's really easy. Just be careful and use it with caution. And of course, you're gonna need some scissors. Also, you're gonna need a ruler, a pencil, and some string or yarn. Lastly, you're gonna need some beads. These are totally optional, and again, you can find these at your local Dollar Tree. And just a disclaimer, only thing that you're actually gonna need to complete this project is the cardstock, adhesive, and the scissors. Everything else is completely optional. So for the base of our garland, we're gonna cut to 12-inch lengths of string. We'll go ahead and measure down 3 inches from the top of each string and make a small mark. Then we're going to cut to more pieces of string that are about 6 inches long. Once you have all of your strings cut, go ahead and take your double-sided tape and put a piece on the end of each of the shorter strings. Take the longer pieces of string and tie them together in a double knot. Then attach the ends of the shorter strings to the opposite ends of the longer strings. You should now have the base of a triangle shape. Next, we're going to make the whiskers. From the cardstock, cut out to identical triangles. I made mine about 4 inches wide at the base and 5 inches tall. Once you have your triangles cut out, go ahead and fold them in half. Open them back up and add a line of hot glue along the center of the fold. Quickly press the two sides together and then set them down to dry. While the hot glue is drying, go ahead and add a line of hot glue to the tip of each triangle. Attach the 2 points together and set them down to dry. Again, you want to work quickly when you're using a hot glue because it dries very fast. Next, we're gonna make the cat faces. Cut out to circles from the cardstock. I made mine about 3 inches in diameter, and then cut out to smaller circles for the eyes. Once you have your circles cut out, go ahead and color them in with markers or colored pencils. You can also use watercolors if you'd like. I am not very good with watercolors, so I am just gonna use a black and white theme for my cats. Now it's time to put the faces on the whiskers. Add a line of hot glue across the bottom of the whiskers, and then press the bottom of the circle into the hot glue. Be sure to center the circle on the whiskers. Next, add a line of hot glue to the top of the smaller circle and press it into the center of the bigger circle. Go ahead and repeat this step for both of your cat faces. Now it's time to put the finishing touches on our garland. Add a line of hot glue to the top of each cat face and press it into the center of the triangle. Then take the beads and string them along the lines of the garland. This part is completely optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And there you have it. This would be super cute for a birthday party or just for a fun night in with your feline family member. There's just something about this that makes me so happy. Maybe it has all the black and white, or maybe it has just the fact that I got to make cute little kitties. Either way, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you never miss an upload. I'll see you next time. Bye.